What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be unboxing the Canon R6 Mark II. Let's go ahead and take a look at the whole entire box here, because that's what we normally do with these unboxings. You get a barcode on the side, EOS R6 Mark II. Tells you that it can do Wi-Fi, HDMI, Bluetooth, made for iPhone, iPad, iPod. Wonder who's still using an iPod over here, but anyways, the other side of the box, that's what it looks like. And I think we are back to the front of the box. Has the R logo for the R lineup. And let's go ahead and do this unboxing here. So we're going to flap that down. We are going to open this up, get these guys off, and what you are greeted with is a couple of introductory pamphlets, connect your camera, but who really needs any of that? Alright, so then you got your charger for the battery. You have another QR code, sticker. This was for the battery. I did a little unboxing by myself, so. And then the battery's right here. It's one of the newer LP6 batteries that come with the camera. It's a LPENH battery, so that's what this battery is. I don't know necessarily what the differences are. I think it just can power the mirrorless cameras a little bit better, and it might have a little bit longer battery life because of the 2130 mAh. That may also help the camera out and functioning properly. So got that. So then it comes with this little cable here. Put that off to the side. I'm gonna take this plastic piece off. Put that off to the side. And then you're greeted with the strap. Pretty much every Canon camera comes with its own line up strap. EOS R6 Mark II, my Canon EOS R also had its own EOS, than just the R, so that's kind of cool. Pretty exclusive to the camera brand. And now the final, which is the camera itself. And here is the camera. Now it's very similar to the Canon EOS R if you are familiar with the Canon EOS R, but there are some similarities and some differences for sure. On the Canon EOS R, the opening slot for the screen is up on top, and they place it down onto the bottom for this camera. They got rid of the touch scroll pad that's on the Canon EOS R and put back the thumb joystick, which is nice. A lot of professionals like to have that ability to scroll through their menus and options rather than having a touch bar, because the touch bar was a little finicky. Not too bad, but when you're in a pinch and you need to fire off photos and need to get your settings dialed in, it's a lot easier to do that when you can actually feel what you're doing. Okay. Button layout is similar to the Canon EOS R though. There are two different switches. So this is the camera option, so you can do photos and video. Right now it's in photo mode, and that would be video mode. You have your dial over here for your different camera options. So I usually shoot in manual mode, so that is now going to be set for manual. Record button is pretty much in the same spot, but this is kind of new for me because I'm used to the EOS R, and that is the on and off and lock switch, which is normally over here on the Canon EOS R. That's a little different there. Size wise, I gotta say it's about the same. I think this camera is just a little bit thicker than the EOS R, but nonetheless feels really great in the hand. Still has that nice deep inlay for where your fingers go, so that's pretty nice. It has a nice little cover up on top. You get your usual focus eyepiece here, and let's open up the side. Camera card slot. dual card slot, which is nice for those who want to make sure that their photos and videos get recorded properly and there's no loss of footage. So this is my first camera that will have that option, just to have that safety net. And this is what the bottom looks like. Battery is not in the camera yet, but same similar layout for any EOS R or Canon camera that's a DSLR or mirrorless. Let's go around to the front real quick. Let's take a look. And what's nice is that it does have those shutters to keep that dust out as much as possible when you're switching out lenses or putting on lenses. And there you have it. That is the Canon EOS R6 Mark II. I'll be doing more videos on this camera as I learn it more. If you guys have any questions, or if you'd like to see anything particular about the Canon EOS R6 Mark II, let me know. I'll be more than willing to create that video for you guys, and you know, it's a whole learning process for everyone involved, myself included. But that's gonna end this little video here. Thanks for watching this unboxing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.